It's dripping.
What are you doing, Abby?
It's dripping.
It's dripping. What are those?
Red.
Red what?
Red fingers.
Where's your paintbrush? See, there's no paintbrush. What type of paints are they? Are they finger paints?
Yeah. Whoa, look.
Whoa, look at that.
It's dripping.
Yeah, put it on the paper. You gonna make a picture?
Daddy, you bring this picture in. You bring this picture in.
Should we take it to work?
Daddy, we have to leave this home.
Okay, we'll leave it home.
Yeah, don't take it to work.
I won't take it to work.
Yeah, it's not work. Take pictures. Work. What? Think what's this? Think what's this? I think what's this, Daddy? I think what's this? I think what's this? A wiggly snake.
You making a snake? It's a red snake.
Why is it a red snake?
I don't know. Why is it a red snake?
What? Ribs!
It drips.
Okay,
You ready to go wash your hands?
don't do anything. Wait, put a camera on.
It's making a video of Abby. Is that Isabel?
Mommy, I do finger paints.
Yeah, I think Mommy's still sleeping. Or at least trying to.
I think we're going to ask it soon. I think we're going to ask it.
No, not this week.
I think we're going. I think tomorrow we're going to ask it. Ask.
Can you wave goodbye? Goodbye. Wave bye to the camera.